Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this website right here called PocketGuard. So what is the work of PocketGuard? So PocketGuard lets you manage your finances guys, like your spendings, your earnings, everything. PocketGuard literally puts your financial life on the go guys without looking back. So let's dig in and let's check out PocketGuard together. So as you can see here, it says know where your money goes and improve your life. You can literally see where you spend one penny from your money guys. So everything will be like clear to you. You will see how you spend your money and how much you earn, your incomes, your taxes, your everything. You will literally see everything guys, so that you will know how much you can spend in a month or how much you get in a month. So as you can see here, says spend less than you earn, achieve financial dreams and experience a brighter financial future. So as you can see here, it says trusted by the best. So here says join 1 million plus member. PocketGuard is an all-in-one money management platform that brings together everything you need to control your personal finances. Available on web, iOS and Android. So as you can see here, it says spend smarter and live better. So you can see here, make informed decision based on the spending insights available in PocketGuard. Understand your cash flow and net worth. Track your expenses and project a surplus at month's end. So as you can see here, so let's check out their features together. So they have a lot of features guys. As you can see here, yes, it's network. Use several data connectors to track your network. You can see here debt payoff plan, your personal payoff schedule based on the strategy and budget. You can see here financial goals. Set a goal to make sure it is achievable and fit your budget using smart. You can see here lower your bills, marketing, spending, inside transactions, cancel subscription, recurring like PFM courses, leftover cash flow. You see, this cancel subscription is so important in your life guys. If you are someone like me that literally subscribes to everything guys, and I'll just find out like in a month or two I was like I'm not even using this something anymore, like this website I'm not even using it anymore, and I already have like let's say a 1 year subscription and all. So PocketGuard will help you manage all these finances guys. It will cancel all those subscription and all. So this is like my favorite out of PocketGuard. Like you can see here, yes, it's find unwanted subscription you would like to cancel and save money. So PocketGuard will let you save your money. Like it is so important for you guys. If you are young or even old or anything guys, no matter what you are, you need to use PocketGuard to manage your finances and see how your financial life will move from 0 to 100 guys. It is that easy. What you just need to do is just click on sign up and you will sign up with your email guys. That's just it. You sign up with your email and you have yourself a PocketGuard account. So that's just it guys. So if you have any question guys, just drop it in the comment section and I'll gladly help you out guys. So that's just it. You sign up with your email and password guys. So that's just it guys. So you can also check out their pricing section to check how much it costs in a year. You can see here it costs $6.25 in a month, and you can see here you can pay $74 yearly guys. And if it's monthly, you can see here instead of you to pay $12 monthly, you can do a yearly subscription and you will just be paying this amount yearly guys, and you will see how your life will transform guys. So that will be all for our video guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.